For fall 2024, Apple announced an upgrade to the base model AirPods. These are the AirPods 4. Let's unbox them together. This model is the new entry point for AirPods. There's another new and very similar set called AirPods 4 with Active Noise Cancelling. More on that in just a sec. There's also AirPods Max, the big over-ear headphones, and finally AirPods Pro Gen 2. This means we have a lot of variety and price points for the AirPods lineup. The case in AirPods 4 has USB-C charging. Wireless charging is only available on the model with Active Noise Cancelling. Between the case and the buds, you can expect up to 30 hours of total battery life, 5 hours of listening time before we need to pop those AirPods back in for a recharge. AirPods 4 have the H2 chip, which improves voice isolation so calls will sound more clear and adds the ability to respond to Siri with a nod or shake of your head. Plus, you get personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking. This model of AirPods actually looks very, very similar to the previous generation of AirPods and actually the new ones too. So this can be a bit tricky to figure out all of the differences. In fact, if we look at the previous model of AirPods, this is how similar they are. When you first glance at them, you might not even notice the differences. The new ones are the ones on the left, by the way. And that is true when you're comparing the AirPods 4 with the AirPods 4 Active Noise Cancelling as well. While they physically look very similar, once you dig into the features, you'll start to notice the differences. These are AirPods 4 with Active Noise Cancellation. Let's unbox them together. With both models of AirPods 4, Apple redesigned them for comfort and quality, moving the H2 chip into the stem to improve acoustics and tapering the open ear design to maximize fit and feel. By upgrading to AirPods 4 with Active Noise Cancelling, you get additional features compared to the base model. These AirPods can toggle between different levels of noise cancellation and transparency to block out or bleed through as much of the outside world as you like. Conversation awareness will lower the volume of your audio if these AirPods detect you're talking to someone. That way you don't have to pull the AirPods out of your ear. The case can be charged wirelessly, and with this model, the case has a built-in speaker to make it even easier to locate using Find My. That is a quick unboxing only of these two different models of AirPods. There's so much to say about them, and I'm still in the midst of my testing, so hands-on and review coming soon. But based on the early findings, let me know what you're most interested about related to the latest generation of AirPods.